Okay, so hello students, very good afternoon everyone. As you know, I'm your science teacher and here I'm just going to take a class of class 8. Okay, so students, in a class 8, your sound chapter is going on, and yesterday I told you about the characteristics of the sound and what is the pitch and what is the loudness, how pitch and loudness of the sound is high or low. Okay, now today in this video I'm just going to telling you about the speed of a sound. Clear? So we are talking about the speed of a sound. So speed of sound is depend upon the three factors. Firstly, you have to know speed of sound is what is meaning of the speed of sound. It means how sound is reached fastly or slowly. Okay, and in which type of substance that sound can reach very fastly, and the substance which can be audible very fastly sound and be audible slowly sound. Okay, and how the sound sound is travel in the form of a waves. So the substance in which sound is very fast move speed, so it is just the speed of sound is depend on the three basic factors you have to know. The first one is a temperature. It means always remember temperatures. Here the meaning of the temperature, it means the kinetic energy of the substance particle, a medium particle. For the moving of the sound, the medium is necessary. Is that clear? The second one is medium. We are talking about the medium. Medium is made up of a tiny particles. Okay, and the tiny particles, if the kinetic energy, if the temperature we increase, then what will be happen? Then the sound can be fast. Now the nature, physical state of a substance. Nature and physical state of a substance. It means the substance is solid, liquid, or a gases. So the substance nature and its physical state is also depend on the affected the speed of a sound. Clear? Now here you have to know. I have this table is made up of in a page number 618, 768. You have to remember. This is your homework. Now what is the speed of a sound in air is about 330 meter per second. Clear? So what is the you have to know ki we are talking about the air speed. So in a sound speed in a air. So speed of a sound in a air is a 300 meter per second. But yeah, if we are talking about at 0 degrees Celsius and at a 0 degrees Celsius, it is a temperature. Now and 346 meter per second in a room temperature. We are talking about a room temperature, that is a 35. Okay, 35 degrees Celsius. So here what you see, that if the temperature is less, then the speed of sound is less. If the temperature is high, then speed of sound is high. Now what is the speed? Here I have written the substance, which is also made given in your book. Now what is the speed of air? That is the substance air. The speed of air is the 346. Okay, meter per second is a unit. You must have to know what is the unit of the speed. Speed unit is a meter per second. Now the water 14,098 mercury 14,000 not 1,498 speed in a water. Then mercury 1,452 and glass 5,000, aluminium 5,000, iron 5,000, diamond 12,000. Okay, so what you know here, what you are watching here students, the diamond is a very solid and hardest substance, and now these all are a solid, this is a liquid, and this one is a gas. So what you are saying, it means we can say that the speed of sound in a gas is less than water, and speed of sound in water is less than solid. Okay, so this is important which you have to know. Okay, now well, this is all about of today's topic. And tomorrow here in a page number 168, the given is the question. Let's remember the true, false, and the answer of the following question. This is oral questions for you. You have to also learn. Okay, so this is two homework for you. The first one, this table you have to know what is the speed of air, what is the speed of a water, mercury, glass, aluminium, iron, and diamond. And the second question is, let's remember the two question, the true and false, and the question answer given. You have to learn. Clear? And tomorrow I'll tell you about the types of a sound. Okay, so now this is ending of my today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.